as I was posting on the school website, I'm creating this video to show you how to predict products given a word equation of a chemical or a chemical change. Before this, I was giving you the entire word equation in which the name of the products were displayed. From now on, you have to predict the products. And I'm creating these videos to show you strategies that you can use to find the products. Okay? As usual, if you Google the questions, the internet is gonna give you the answer. Now, do I recommend that? The day of the test, you're not gonna have internet. The day of the test, you're not gonna have an electronic device. So it's up to you. If you want to look for the products online, it's your decision. Okay? Also, after you complete this assignment, I'm gonna post an exploration project on Showbidu in which you're gonna be analyzing the different factors that affect a chemical reaction. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first sample. Let's say that you have sodium oxide that is reacting with water. And as I was explaining the other day when we went over the test questions, your first step is just to identify the substance that you have in your reaction. Sodium oxide. Is that an element? Is that a compound? Do I know how to write the formula? Sodium oxide is a compound and is reacting with water that is another compound. And now is when you have to analyze. I have two compounds reacting. Okay, you're gonna think, do I have a single replacement? Reactions? Impossible, because you know that in single replacement, always you're gonna have an element and a compound. So you can cross that from your list. Do I have a combustion chemical reaction? You're gonna look at the reactants. Is oxygen involved? No, because you have to compound. So you can cross that out of your list. Do I have a double replacement chemical reaction? Possible, because you have two compounds, and you know that in the double replacement always you're gonna have two compounds. Okay, so you're gonna put that on your list. Okay, possible double replacement. And then you're gonna continue because you were crossing combustion, you were crossing single displacement. Do you have a decomposition chemical reaction? Impossible, because in a decomposition you have only one product, only one reactant, and in this case you have two products. So you're gonna cross that out of your list. And the last type of chemical reaction that you're gonna analyze is synthesis. Do I have a synthesis chemical reaction? Possible, okay? Because you have 4 different types of synthesis. Now, we're gonna start here with double replacement. Do I have 2 ionic compounds as part of the reactant? And the answer is no. So you're gonna cross that on your list because you don't have 2 ionic compounds, or you don't have an acid, which is a hydroxide, and a base. So we're gonna analyze synthesis. So only possibility is a synthesis chemical reaction. And I have a metallic oxide reacting with water. When you have that, you can refer to the other video. You have a metallic oxide with water, a hydroxide is gonna be formed. Okay? So that's the process that I want you to follow when you are predicting products. Okay? You have to analyze first your reactant, and based on that, you are gonna find the type of chemical reactions, and based on that, you will be able to predict the products. So, is your equation balanced? No. Yeah, I'm not going to explain that topic because I did that before. So if you don't know how to balance chemical equation, you have to watch the video that is posted on the school website one more time. I'm going to put a 2 over here, and with that 2 over there, my equation is balanced. Okay? So, another example. Cobalt is reacting with hydrochloric acid. Okay, I'm going to start. Synthesis. Okay. I have cobalt, which is an element reacting with hydrochloric acid. Okay, synthesis. In synthesis, you have 4 different types. You have metallic oxide reacting with water to produce hydroxide. You have a metallic oxide with carbon dioxide to produce carbonate. You have metal plus non-metal to form an ionic compound. And then you have 2 non-metals producing a covalent compound. Okay, when you look at your reactants, do you have any of those 4 situations? So you can cross that out. Okay, and when you're crossing synthesis, the composition is eliminated too. Because if you don't have a synthesis reaction, it's impossible to have a decomposition. Okay, now I'm going to analyze the 3rd type, combustion. Okay, you're going to ask yourself, do I have oxygen as part of the reactants? No, you don't have that there, so it's not combustion. After that, replacement. I have replacement, single or double. For double replacement, always you're going to have to compound. Do I have to compound? No. So what is the type of reaction that I have over there? Single. Okay, single replacement. Okay. Within the single replacement, you learn in my class that when you have any metal reacting with an acid, an ionic compound is going to be formed, releasing hydrogen. Remember when we were putting the iron together with the hydrochloric acid, that you were observing a lot of bubbles because hydrogen gas was released. You know that. Okay, you can have, for single replacement, you can have an element and an ionic compound, or you can have a metal, which is an element, with an acid. It was happening during a single replacement that one element is replacing another element in the compound. Cobalt. What happened with cobalt? That when you look at the possible numbers, the possible oxidation number for cobalt, it has more than 1. Pick the one that you like the most. Okay, I'm going to pick 3. So cobalt 3, chloride plus hydrogen. And these are the 2 products that are formed in this reaction. One more time. Is my reaction balanced? No. Yeah, I'm not going to explain that topic because I already did. You don't understand that. You have to watch the other video that is posted under the school website. Now I have a balanced chemical equation. 2 cobalt, 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen on the other side, 6 chlorine, 6 chlorine. Okay. Another example, and this is the last one that I'm going to discuss. Okay. Propanol reacts completely with oxygen. Propanol is CHO. Okay. We're going to follow the same strategy. We're going to be following the same strategy. Synthesis. Okay. We're going to start with synthesis. Do I have a metal and a non-metal? No, I don't have that. Because you have propanol. Okay, of course, remember that I'm going to give you the formula for organic material because you don't know how to write the formula for them. Synthesis. So you don't have to worry about that. So we're going to continue with synthesis. Do I have a metal and a non-metal reacting? No. Do I have two non-metals reacting? No. Do I have a metallic oxide plus carbon dioxide? No. Do I have a metallic oxide plus water? No. So could I have synthesis in there? No. If I don't have synthesis, decomposition can be eliminated. Okay. The third type, combustion. Okay. Do I have oxygen as part of the reactants? The answer is yes. Now, you're going to ask another question to yourself. Is oxygen reacting with organic material? Look at the propanol over here. What is organic material? I told you, any covalent compound made of carbon and hydrogen or oxygen is an organic material. So yes, you have oxygen reacting with an organic material. And according to the word equation, it's reacting completely. What are the two products out of a complete combustion? Carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, is that equation balanced? One more time, I'm not going to explain the topic. 4 over here. So I have 3, I have 8, I have 6, plus 4 are 10. So I need over here 10. It could be again 4.5. So I have to multiply everything by 2. 2 giving me 6 plus A H2. Okay, so I have 6 over here, 6 over here. I have 18, and then I have 2 plus 18, 20, 12 plus 8, 20. Okay, so but still, if you don't know how to balance chemical equations, you have to watch that video too. Yeah, I'm gonna stop over here because there's no point in continuing analyzing all the type of chemical reaction because you already know how to do that. You have to combine this video with the one that I was posting before for type of chemical reaction, and you're gonna be able to complete your classwork, the assignment that I have posted online. Just keep in mind, and as I was telling you, that you're going to find the answers online, but you have to master this topic. Sooner or later, you're going to be tested on this, and if you don't know how to do this, you're not going to be able to pass one of my tests, okay? And if we continue with online education, the tests are not going to be easy because they're going to be all about applications. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video over here. Just watch this video as many times as needed. And if you have questions, just write on Shobi that you want to see me. And then I will schedule a meeting through Zoom. Okay. Also, let's say that you are studying with your friends, so 3-4 friends. You want to meet me face to face, just get together, send me a message through Shobi, and I will make the proper arrangement for a meeting face to face with all of you. Okay, at the same time.